Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play CS2 FACEIT. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your web browser and on the search bar type in faceit.com. So once you're there, and if you already have an account, what you need to do is log into your account. If you don't have an account, then sign up for new account. Now once that's done, here you can see on the screen there is a download button, right? You can also download the app as well, and once downloaded, it will look something like this. Now once you are here, what you need to do is click on the option that says play right over here, and once you click on play here, what you need to do is connect your stream server ID to the CS game. That is really important. And once you do that, here you can also select your friends or give them an invitation by simply tapping on this plus icon right here and then entering the details of their account right here and then inviting them as well. Now all you gotta do is simply click on play and you'll be able to play CS2 FACEIT, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.